Windows 11 has just dropped a massive new update, build 26220.7271, KB5070307 for version 25H2, available in both the dev and beta channels. This update brings 3 major features every user should know about: Xbox full screen experience, a powerful new point-in-time restore tool, and a fresh File Explorer context menu redesign. Let's break everything down in a simple way. Microsoft has officially brought Xbox full screen experience to normal PCs, not just handheld gaming devices. This new FSE mode turns your Windows desktop into a console-style, controller-friendly interface. It removes the Explorer shell, kills extra background processes, and frees up around 2 GB of RAM, giving you a more direct and faster gaming environment. How to enable it? Go to Settings. Gaming. Full screen experience. You can launch it using. The feature is rolling out gradually, and your Microsoft account must be registered in the Xbox Insider program. Windows 11 now includes a next-generation recovery feature called Point-in-Time Restore. This captures full system snapshots, including OS state, installed apps, settings, local files, passwords and keys, system configuration. If your PC gets hit by a bad update, driver error, malware, or misconfiguration, you can roll back the entire system to a perfect working state. Enabled by default on devices with 200 GB plus storage. Available for Windows 11 Home and Pro, unmanaged devices. Managed devices, Pro/Enterprise, are controlled by admins. You'll find it in the system setting. Scroll down to Recovery. Point-in-Time Restore. Microsoft will later add remote restore and automated scheduling for IT admins using Intune. File Explorer is also getting a cleaner, decluttered context menu redesign. Microsoft has grouped similar actions under new submenus like Manage File. Actions such as Compress to Zip, Copy as Path, Set as Desktop Background, Rotate Left/Right. Now appear inside organized flyouts, making File Explorer less messy and easier to use. This update also includes various improvements and bug fixes across File Explorer, Task Manager, Settings, and multiple known issues. That's everything new in Windows 11 Update KB5070307. If you want more Windows updates, fixes, and tutorials, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.